student. Good morning student. Today we are going to see a chapter 11, computer networks. In this lesson we are going to discuss the following topics: introduction, computer networks, types of networks, network devices, what is cloud, internet of things. A computer network is a collection of interconnected autonomous computing devices so as to exchange information or share resources. Dear student, computer network, not only computer network is a collection of interconnected computing or devices. Such devices are used for exchange the information or used to share the information. Those things is known as a network. Like our mobile phone, we are sharing a MP3, we are sharing text messages through the network, that is a mobile network. Here we are going to see about computer network. What are all the types of network, those things. Now I think you understand what is meant by network. Any information we exchange from one place to another place, that is the network. Two or more autonomous. What is computer networks? Two or more autonomous computing devices connected to one another in order to exchange information or share resources from a computer network. For examples, the given: in your home you can connect your smartphone, your laptop with your smart TV, gaming console and a printer simultaneously, either using cables or through Wi-Fi. It will be termed as computer network. Dear student, do you understand what here they are saying? In your home we have many devices like a smartphone, laptop, smart TV, gaming console, many things we have. These things are simultaneously connected to one devices to the computer network. One devices, that is known as a computer network. Here they give a diagram for computer network. See, this is a printer which is connected to the Wi-Fi, that is a internet, and the broadband modem, computer and laptop, the entertainment, gaming, the everything is connected in one, that is a computer network. And one more thing, next we are going to see a components of a computer network. Dear student, if you want to connect a network in your home office, you need to have the following components. Merely joining two computers with a cable won't from a network components that together make a network. The major components of the computer networks are: 1. First, host, server, client, network hardware, communication channel, software, network services. Now we can see one by one what is meant by host, server, client, network, everything we will see one by one. First one is host or nodes, such as PC, laptops and smartphones. Here nodes, the word nodes denotes the which devices the networking are connected. The edge point is known as the node. For example, PC connecting point, laptop is a internet connecting point, smartphones, the connecting point, edge point is known as a nodes or host. And next one, server. A server is a very important computer in a network. A server is responsible for making the networking task happen. In other words, a server facilitates networking tasks like sharing of data, resource sharing, communication among host, etc. Dear student, I think you know the word server. A server will control all the clients and it give the instructions to the clients, and it responsible for making the networking task happens. It gives the task to the client machine, that is a server. In server we can mind the client activities, but client can take or store or retrieve the data only into the server. Next, client. Client is a related term. A client computer is host computer that requests for some services from a server. In other words, a server computer serves the request of a client computer. I already told a server will mind the client computer. A client will serve the service to the computer user. The same things they given here. A server will serve through the client machine to the user what they are requesting. This is a client. The client can take and the client can retrieve and store data into the server, but it have permitted. Next, fourth one, network hardware. What are the hardware we are using for to connect the internet? NIC, network interface cables, router, switch, hub, etc. These things are known as a network hardware. The network hardware is used to connect the internet to our PC. It will clear the traffics of the internet and it brings the data to the computer. It brings the internet data to our computer. There are more types of network hardware are there, such as NIC, router, switch, hub, etc. Next, communication channel. The communication channel means the device for communicating, like radio links, cables, landline cables, landline link. That is a communication channel by which way we are going to connect a internet to our PC, through a landline cables or radio links or Wi-Fi. Now we are using a hotspot, like that. In before stage they used to connect a network by using a landline, that is a communication channel. Next one is software, such as protocols, network operating system. The software which is used for connecting the network to our computer. Network services such as BNS, file sharing, etc. A computer network means, next we are going to see a types of networks. A computer network means a group of networked computers, that is computers that are linked by means of a communication system. A network can mean a small group linked computers to a chain of few hundred computers of different types. Types of networks, we are going to see two types. One is a LAN. I think these two you will learn in previous classes. LAN and WAN, and we still have two more things, PAN, MAN. Here they given only two: LAN, local area network, and WAN, wide area network. Local area network means it connected only inside to the one building. WAN, wide area. The another word for wide area is world area network. All over the big network connection, big area of covering network connection, that is known as a wide area network. Small computer networks that are confined to a localized area, like an office or building or a factory. I told local area is inside to the one building, are known as a local area network. The key purpose of LAN is to serve its user in resourcing sharing. The hardware as well as software resources are shared through LAN. Instance, for LAN user can share data, information, program, printers, hard disk, modem, etc. Dear student, local area network is inside to the one building. In that inside to one building, the number of hosts, they have a many computers or few computers can share in a one local area network. These are all the computer means these computers are connected through a wire or wireless in a LAN area network, local area network. These computers are can also share the data. In between them, they can share the data, even printers and hard disk, the everything. This is known as a local area network. In local area network, the user, they mostly used for sharing the data in between them. That is they given here. LAN user can share data, information, programs, printers, hard disk, etc. Wide area network. The networks spread across countries or and very big geographical area are known as WAN. Dear student, WAN means the group of LAN are connected together, that is known as a WAN. For examples, a school which is situated in Chennai and another one more school which is situated in Coimbatore, these two school campus are if connected through a one network, that type of network is known as a wide area network. Here they give a one diagram for LAN and WAN. The LAN, see, which is connected, the LAN area network are they made inside to the one building in a one office. They can connected 2 to 3 or 4 5 inside to the buildings we can connect, that is a LAN. And WAN, wide area network, means the more LAN connections are connected together, that is known as a WAN. Here you can see a office. Some offices are situated in some other places, but these offices are connected in a one network. That type of network is known as a WAN, wide area network. The difference between LAN and WAN. It is a 3-mark question. First, LAN. It is spread over a small area. It is spread over a very large area. It usually costs less to set it up. It costs higher to set it up. It is usually a single network. It is usually a network of many networks. This is the difference between LAN and WAN. And next we are going to see a types of networks by component rules. Another parameter based on which you can classify networks is the role played by network computers in the network operations. There are two types of network: peer-to-peer networks and client-to-server networks. What is peer-to-peer network? In peer-to-peer network, the computer will act as a client and server in a equal state. The machine will act as a both client and server. In client and server networks, the server will access the client and the client will give a request to the server. Okay student, what is peer-to-peer, what is client server networks, these things we see in a next class.